Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Shami and you're watching the Crypto Weekly Update. In this video, we'll summarize all the major events that happened in crypto over the past week, breaking it down into bite-sized information to make it easier to understand. If you enjoy this type of direct content, make sure to stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Alright, let's get started with our first big news in the crypto space. MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor challenged Bitcoin skeptics to short his company's stock, reaffirming their commitment to never sell the Bitcoin holdings. In an interview, Saylor pointed out that MicroStrategy has always been clear and steady in its approach, saying they are leveraged long on Bitcoin. He even threw a bold statement urging skeptics to love the company if they hate Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, which adopted Bitcoin as its primary reserve asset in 2020, now holds over 17 billion in BTC, projecting Bitcoin will account for 7% for global financial capital by 2045. Analysts like Mark Palmer at Broker Benchmark have supported this strategy, raising the stock's price target to $245, noting that the company's Bitcoin yield, which hit 17.8% in 2024, makes it more than just a crypto play. Well, do you agree with MicroStrategy's move, or do you think that raising debt to buy Bitcoin is a bit of a risky play? Personally, I do hold MicroStrategy in my portfolio, and I'm definitely not complaining about the high returns compared to my Bitcoin holdings. The BRICS bloc just made a big move by officially adopting cryptocurrency for investment payments. During the BRICS Business Forum in Moscow, Russian President Vladimir Putin announced this decision, which could shake things up for the group. By embracing digital assets, BRICS aims to reduce its reliance on the US dollar in international trade. This announcement comes after Russia lifted its ban on using cryptocurrency for international payments earlier this year, signaling a clear shift in how the BRICS plans to navigate the global economy. On top of that, BRICS also introduced the BRICS Pay platform, a blockchain-based payment system showing the commitment to building out their economic infrastructure. With the BRICS Summit 2024 happening right now, there are likely more major economic announcements on the horizon. It's all part of their broader goal to increase trade among member nations and strengthen ties with other emerging economies, all while moving away from the US dollar. That being said, history shows that a global reserve currency typically lasts around 100 years, and the US dollar is really pushing its limit. Will the next global reserve currency be a digital one, specifically our beloved Bitcoin? I guess we are not too far off from finding out. Elon Musk hosted his first solo campaign for Donald Trump in Pennsylvania and said some very bold stuff during the rally. Elon Musk first announced that he'll be randomly awarding $1 million every day from now until Election Day to registered Pennsylvania voters who signed America PAC's petition and surprised a member of the audience as the first winner. Then he went on criticized about the government and Kamala Harris. During the town hall, Elon discussed a range of political topics, including US deficit, voter fraud, and freedom of speech. Notably, he hinted at the possibility of leading a proposed US Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, under a Trump administration, but stopped short of fully committing to the role. Elon criticized government spending, calling it a misuse of taxpayer funds, and pushed Trump as the more fiscally responsible choice for voters. He claims Kamala Harris is just another puppet who malfunctions when she doesn't have a teleprompter to read from.
Kamala is really she's just a puppet, frankly. I mean, if the teleprompter breaks, doesn't know what to say. So
Elon also said that he believes she has over 1,000 puppet masters, most of whom were clients of well-known banker Jeffrey Epstein.
Deleted, which is like nobody's even bothering to try to kill Kamala because it's pointless. What do you achieve? Nothing.
No, it's totally
Just find
right.
another puppet.
Exactly. That's
Meanwhile, because of Elon's shielding of DOGE, Dogecoin jumped 7% on the day and once again stirred excitement in the Dogecoin community. Donald Trump now leads every key swing state according to major polling data from many organizations, and his campaign anticipates a blowout victory on 5th of November. What do you think the chances are of Donald Trump winning this election? Comment 1 if you think he'll win, and comment 2 if you think he'll lose. The SEC has approved 11 ETFs to offer options trading based on spot Bitcoin ETF prices, including funds like Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and Bitwise Bitcoin ETF. This move is expected to increase market liquidity, improve price stability, and provide more data on institutional demand. Analysts from BLN see this as a positive development for Bitcoin, potentially reducing volatility and offering new investment strategies. Additionally, Grayscale is seeking to convert its digital large-cap fund into an ETF, which could further diversify cryptocurrency exposure. Well, spot Bitcoin ETFs are doing great, so not surprised that SEC will approve an option trading now, especially when Blackrock's ETF is witnessing a huge inflow with its IBIT ETF hold a record 25 billion BTC. The CEO Larry Fink seems to be a full-time shill for Bitcoin nowadays. With BlackRock investment in Circle, the second largest stablecoin USDC, BlackRock is pushing hard on the RWA tokenization narrative. The firm's recent issuance of the Builder token, the largest tokenized US Treasury bill offering, is another significant move as it has already captured nearly 30% of the tokenized Treasury market within just 6 weeks. BlackRock is also in discussions with exchanges like Binance and OKX to use Builder as futures collateral, signaling a deeper involvement in crypto derivatives. Looks like RWA is one of the safest bets in crypto sectors, and no doubt BlackRock is all over crypto. Whether you like it or not, TradFi is here and they're not going away. Moving on to some AI updates. The State of Crypto 2024 report from A16Z highlights how decentralization in crypto is making AI more accessible and equitable. The integration of blockchain technology could help tackle major challenges in AI, including centralization, trust, and IP protection. AI at Meta just launched MetaLingua, a fast and minimal library for LLM training and inference designed for researchers. This tool is aimed at researchers and is expected to accelerate large-scale AI research with impressive benchmark performance across various tasks. Additionally, DAO has joined the Fetch.ai Foundation and integrated its AI-powered vacation rental discovery agent into the Fetch.ai marketplace, offering developers the ability to create personalized travel experiences based on user preferences. Well, no doubt that there will be more AI agents interacting with our daily lives moving forward. That's it for this week's news update in crypto. If you like more information and want to stay up to date with the crypto industry, follow us on Twitter too. Links can be found in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.